Good morning, class. In previous class, we discussed about basic concepts of arithmetic operators. In Python, we have many categories of operators, and the first category we discussed is arithmetic operators. This includes addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, floor division, and exponential. Today, we will discuss about comparison operator. Today, we will discuss about comparison operator. Let's see what they are. Comparison operators works on two values. Those values are called operands. Operands are basically the values on which operators works. These are called operands. So we have to take two operands and a operator. This will give us a output. But in case of comparison operators, the output will be only Boolean values. Those are true or false. This is the only output of comparison operators. Means you will get only these two values out of, you will get one value out of these two, true or false, nothing else. Now what are these operators? Let us take an example. Here we have a variable, simple value. Let us take 1 equals to 5. What is this? The output is false, and how this is executed, what is the working of principle of this? Here the Python checks that one, this value, the left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. If this is true, then the value will be true. If these are not equal, then the value will be false. So this is the comparison operator to check whether the both hand side values are equal or not. This is called equal to comparison operator. And when this is true, the output will be true, otherwise the output will be false. And we have another that is totally opposite to the first one. This is called not equal to comparison operator. The symbol is this, and we will execute it. Now we will get true. Here we are trying to say that the right hand value is not equal to left hand value, and that statement is true, so the output is true. This is called equal to comparison operator, and this is called not equal to comparison operator. We can also store the values of these in any variable. How to do that? Let us take example: a equals to 12 and b equals to 34. Now we will simply put c equals to a, comparison operators equal to and b. Now the value of c will be something true or false based on the logic. Here the output of c is false because this takes, this stores a value that is false because a is not equal to b. So the value of variable c is false. This was the concept of equal to and not equal to comparison operators. The next one is greater than and less than. We already know about that. Let us do some example. 12 and 30. Executing it, it gives true. What does it mean? Here we are checking that the left hand value is less than the right hand value. If this is the condition, then the whole result will be true, otherwise we will get false. What does it mean? Let us check. and opposite will give us false. Okay, this is the we have interchanged the variables, but the operator is same. So 30 is not less than 12, then the output is false. So this is called greater than, and this is called less than. These were the two operators used to compare two values on left hand side and right hand side. And here comes the mixture of equal to and these. Those are, let us comment out this. Here we have a new operator that is less than equal to. This operator compares two value whether they are equal or less than. Let's see how this is work. 12 less than equal to 12. This will give us true because it will check whether the value on the left hand side and right hand side are equal, or the left hand side value is less than the value of right hand side object. Means in this case we have two conditions. Condition 1, if they are equal, and the condition 2 is if the left side is less than the right hand side value. And any one condition out of these two is true, then the whole output will be true. If I am taking this less than equal to, then also it will give us true because the second condition is true in this case, and in previous one the first condition was true. So this was the operator less than equal to. Its pronunciation is then equal to operator. This is the pronunciation. And the opposite one is opposite. The next operator is greater than equal to. In this case, the first logic is same. The first logic is same means we have to check if they are equal. And the second logic is that if the left hand side value is greater than the right hand side value. Right hand side value. These were the operators which comes in the category of comparison operators. In next class we will be discussing about the next category, that is assignment, that is logical operators.